Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z900. This naked superbike just arrived with only 3,790 miles. Really cool. It's got the bar ends, brand new tires. Look at that red frame. Low mileage, fender eliminator. This is a ton of bike for the money. Fuel injected, inline 4-cylinder. Price to sell for $74.99. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Man, that thing is badass. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.